Right. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to continue exercise 11.1. 11.1 from question number 5. The question is, an ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Here, before that, let me revise the formula. Here is the formula. Diagram, rectangle formula, area perimeter formula is 2l plus b. A is l into breadth, and square 4a a square, and triangle sum of all the side, or area half into base into height, and parallelogram 2a plus b and b into h, height. Right. And next is circle. Circle perimeter formula is 2 pi r, and area is pi r square. If it is a semicircle, only pi r and pi r. Understand? So here in this question we have a semicircle over here in this A, and also here we have semicircle, and C we have semicircle here again, right? So the base is 2.8. Here also the base is 2.8. Here the base is 2.8, right? So which hemifigure housing are here? We have to find the total area of this figure, this three figure, so we can know the ant have to take a longer round. We can know the result. So here, first, number A. Number A. Here in this case, the diameter is already given, right? Diameter here, diameter is 2.8 centimeter, and after that, here you have to write like this. Diameter is equal to 2.8. Radius. So to know the circumference of a semicircle, pi r. So here, to know the circumference of a semicircle, we need to find the radius. But at the question, we don't have a radius, right? So we need to find the radius. Radius kan zot masak pot ang ID. Diameter min pa to 2.8 ania. Draw this one. After that, radius is 1.4 centimeter. Diameter is 2.8. Radius is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So circumference of a circle, pi r2. Pi r means, pi means, like I said, 22 by 7 into r is equal to 1.4. When we reduce, it will be 4.4. So pi r is equal to 4.4. Path covered by an ant, pi r plus diameter. Here is the diameter, right? Here a diameter ne here. Hey, look at this figure. Look at this figure carefully. We are going to find the area covered by ant. This figure, right? And for an example, if an ant start from here, it will go around this like this, and it will end end here again, right? So we have to calculate all the circumference and all the base. If we add the diameter, so we can know the path covered by an ant, right? So here, path covered by an ant, pi r plus diameter, that is the diameter is 2.8, right? So like I said, pi r into 1.4 plus 2.8 pi 2 22 by 7 r 1.4 plus diameter is equal to 2.8. So when we reduce, I reduce like this. Look at this carefully. 22 by 7 into 1.4 and look at this. This number has a decimal number. If we multiply or divide a decimal number, you have to change into fraction. 22 by 7 into 14 to 1.42. If we change into fraction, 14 by 10, and 7 2s are 4 14, and 2 1 and 2 5, right? Understand? In Trapezium point 1.4 oma wangin divide kha aboi thak ta ni tro multiplication ania divide kha aboi thak ta chu wang chuan divide aboi thak awangin multiplication a kan thak anga fraction a kan thak anga fraction a kan thak chuan 1.4 ani wangin point nuwa decimal pakhat oma wangin point nuwa decimal pakhat oma wangin 0 kan daang 10 alo niang 14 by 10 alo nianga. This one 7 in 2 times, 2 in 1 times, and 2 in 5 times. Draw 1 by 5 alo nita 5 in 22 to 5 in 22 to 4.4 alo nianga. 4.4 plus 2.8 2.8 kan mu chuan ka chu a diameter kan itani kami te panika kan bel kan add ang. After that the answer will be 7.2 centimeter. Do you understand? Here we're going to find this area. Tilai mi ho zong zong hi kan area kan zong don. Area kan zonga akal fang mi rena akal kwal chua vek na ka kan zong dona. Diameter chu a diameter chu 2.8 ania. Engvai radius kan zon kan ti chuan semicircle hemicircumference kan zon anga ya. Hemicircumference hi kan zon anga ya chu wang chuan radius kan zong. Achan chu circumference of a circle formula chu pi r ania. Pi r chu radius dinania chu wang chuan radius kan zon anga. Understand? Now number B. Look at this figure. Number B ve thung chuan. Here is a semicircle. Draw a semicircle oma. Semicircle ba ka hian a side ho hi akal bok ta ni. Draw for an example ta hian end kan ta tang hian lo start ta se. It will go like this. So we need to find all the area that the end cover, right? So we need to find the circumference of this circumference of this semicircle, and after that we will add all the side, right? In this case, diameter is also 2.8 centimeter and radius is equal to 2.8 divided by 2, that is 1.4, and circumference of semicircle is equal to pi r. Circumference of circle to 2 pi r and ma se circumference of semicircle ani wangin 2 ataloin pi r ringot ania. Pi r to 1.4 ania kan reduce nichina ka soitong kan to 22 by 7 divided by 7 into 1.42 fraction kan santira, and 7 2 times 2 1 2 5, that is, and 22 by 5 divided by 22 divided by 5 is 4.4, and after that pad cover by and is equal to pi r plus length plus breadth, that is the side side. So here look at the figure again. Here this will be 2.8, right? Because the diameter is already given, and 1.5, sorry, 1.5 the side hey heng zong hi bel ko mangai tinani hey kan threto a circumference kan threto a circumference plus this side 15 plus 2 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5. Right, understand? So like I said, pi r means pi r, we already searched pi r, that is 4.4. 4.4 plus 2.8 plus 15, 1.5 plus 1.5. So when we add, the total will be 10.2 centimeter. Understand? This is the sub number B. And now sub number C. Sub number C figure is like just like a cone, right? Ice cream cone. Here the size, the side is already given, that is 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, and the diameter is also given, that is 2.8. So here like that. In this case, diameter is equal to 2.8. Radius is equal to 2.8 divided by 2, that is 1.4. Circumference of a circle pi r kan zong le like the previous one, that is 4.4. Pad cover by n is equal to pi r plus side. That means this side 2 plus 2. Understand? 4.4, that is pi r. 4.4 plus 2 side is 2 plus 2, that is 8.4 centimeter. So after analyzing result, we conclude that for figure B foot pieces, the end would take a longer round. Now we can easily know the end would longer round, right? 8.4 near sub number C at B at so 8.4 near B at 10.2 near A về thung có chuan 7.2 nia so tam hun du reizat du per chu sub number B and tani so understand. You have to draw a figure also like this, and you have to copy all the notes that I give you, all the solution. This is sub number A. This is sub number B. And this is sub number C. Right, let's continue with exercise 11.2. Before we start the exercise, I'm going to give you a formula and meaning. You have to listen very careful. This is very important. Area of trapezium formula: half into height is equal half into height into sum of parallel side. Parallel means lines never intersect. Lines in tok ngai lo tura ang ho kha parallel lines kan ti chunia parallel side he ta po hian an en taula he line hi akal zel chuan ain tok don lo thum ma se he lines a chho le he lai chho hi akal zel chuan a topa chuna in tok anin cross don intersect don. So this lines is a parallel. In a trapezium, a quadrilateral with one pair of sides parallel. Quadrilateral meaning is a quadrilateral, trapezium meaning is a quadrilateral with one pair of sides parallel. Parallel means never intersect. Right. Always remember this formula: half into height into sum of parallel side. And like I said, mensuration is about the formula, so you have to learn clearly about the formula. Formula hi in thiam chian via vangai mensuration at chuan in thiam lo chuan formula in triat lo chuan in tan har sang chuan you have to learn clearly. Right, let's continue with the exercise, that is 11.2. The question is: the shape of the top surface of a table is trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. Area of a trapezium formula: 1 half into height sum of parallel side kan ti a parallel side ti chu question a ron pek chu 1 meter and 1.2 meter, right? So here like this, length of parallel side AB, like this. You have to draw a figure like this. A, B, C, D. AB is 1.2 meter and BC is equal to 1 meter, and the height is the distance between is 0.8 meter. So length of parallel side is equal to AB is equal to 1.2 centimeter and CD is equal to 1 meter. That is the length, that is the parallel side. So height is equal to 0.8 centimeter, and therefore area of trapezium formula is half into height into sum of parallel side. That means AB plus CD. AB means 1.2 and CD means 1. When we add half into 0.8 into 2.2, and after that, like I said, the previous one, we have a decimal number, so we have to convert into fraction. That is 0.8, and each one 8 by, after decimal there is one number, right? 0.8, one number, so you have to put 10, and after that 2.2, 22 by, after decimal there is a one digit, so 0, and reduce 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5 and 2 1 and 2 5. That means 5 5s are 25, 22 by 25, right? And after that divide 25 in 22 can divide ang 0.0 kan tanga 8 times 2 200 20 0 25 8 times 200, so that means 0.88 meter square. Area kan zona wangin, the unit will be square unit. If it is meter square, or if it is centimeter square, like that. Area re chona unit khan square unit ani zelang. Understand? That is question number 1. Now question number 2. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeters square and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeters and its height is 4 centimeters. Find the length of the other parallel side. So here in this question we have to find the length of the other parallel side, right? Understand? Do you understand the question? We already know the area and we already know the length of one parallel side, that is 10 centimeter, and we already know the height also. So here like this, let the length of first parallel side is equal to A is equal to 10 centimeter. Length of second side will be B centimeter. B for boy, and height is equal to 4 centimeter. Area of trapezium is equal to 34 centimeters. As the question already given, the question the area is already given, and here the formula of area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium formula is 2 half into height A plus B. A plus B means a sum of parallel side, right? A means 10 centimeter and B, area of trapezium, is equal to 34, right? So here, so half into height is equal to 4 and A is equal to 10 plus 2, B is equal to 34, right? And after that, reduce 2 2s are 4, throw, and 2 in 10, 2 into 10 plus B, 2, when we multiply 2 and 10, 20, and 2 into B is equal to 2B is equal to 34, and 2B, here we have a equation kan tikha kan nei ta left hand side le right hand side. Left hand side ami le lampanga pe chon assign in opposite che kalang. Here 2B is equal to 34 minus, you have to write first 34 because after equal to there is 32, so after equal to there will be 34, and this 20, this plus 20 will comes at the right hand side, so it will be minus 34 minus 20, that is 14, right? 14, and B is equal to this is a multiplication of multiplication, and when it comes at the right hand side it will be divided by 2. That is 2 divided by 14 is 7. Therefore the other side will be 7 centimeter. Here in this question we find the other side, not a area. Draw area kan zong lawa, a side kan zong chu wang chuan a unit a khan square unit ani vel awang. Area kan zon re chuan eng shape po ni sela. Area kan zon re chuan the area will, the unit will be square unit. Understand? This is question number 2 solution. You have to copy. Now let's move on to question number 3. That is, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter, and AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. Right? The figure is like this. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. Length asay zong the length will be the perimeter. A perimeter to 120 ni tani. Draw 120. That means when we add all the sides, we can know, when all sides are given, we can know the perimeter. If we add all the sides, we can know the perimeter. Here, length of a fence is equal to 120. That means perimeter of a trapezium is equal to 120. When we add AB te, AD te, BC te, DC te kan add here. AD te kan add kan 120 ni don tinani tani. Draw. And the question already give us BC is equal to 48 centimeters, and CD is equal to 17 centimeters, and AD is equal to 40 meter, right? 40 meter. This one AB plus AB plus BC plus CD plus AD or DA, whatever. And here AB, we don't know the size of AB, right? We don't know the length of the AB. BC plus 48 plus 17, CD is equal to 17, DA is equal to 40, is equal to 120, right? So AB plus, so here we know the length, that is AB is equal to 120 minus equation kan say tong kan equal to nuwa 120 oma, AB is equal to 120 ron masanga equal to nuwa 120 om masaka angin 120 minus plus ka minus alo changa 105 aninga, that is 15 meter. So all the sides are, we know all the sides, right? So now area of a trapezium formula is, like I said, 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel side anita. A question the question gives us side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. AD and BC ka parallel side ani don tinani chu AD le BC hi parallel side ani hei hemi te hi chu he tin kal zel anga hei angil zel chun ain tok don anin parallel ni don lo intersect om don. This side and this side is a parallel, so 40 and 48. So here area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. So 1 by 2 sum of parallel side, like I said, parallel side to 40 plus 48 into height is equal to 15. Hey, a san zong figure kan en taula hey, a san zong a height a riat thei ta ni tro kan zong chuak ta perimeter tang khan hey, a san zong kha kan thita chu 15 meter lo ni ta, height is equal to 15 meter lo ni ta. This one, when we add 40 plus 48 is equal to 88 into 15, 2 in 44 times, right? 15 into 14 is equal to 660 meter square area kan zo da wangin hei ta po meter square alone yeah. Understand? So that's enough for today. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask. Just ask me, and maybe we will have a Zoom class or Google Room class maybe later. If you have any problem, you can ask me through WhatsApp, phone call, or like that. Don't hesitate to ask me. Okay. All right, that's enough for today, and I'm going to give you some exercise, some assignment, so you have to submit, and you have to copy all the solution that I already solved. Yeah. All right, that's enough for today. Thank you, class.